Electric vehicle (EV) sales are surging in Baton Rouge as the deadline for a significant federal tax credit approaches, creating a sense of urgency among potential buyers. With the $7,500 tax incentive for new EV purchases set to expire on September 30th, car dealerships across the country are witnessing a notable increase in customer interest and sales. This rush to buy electric vehicles highlights not only the growing popularity of eco-friendly transportation options, but also the financial benefits that can make these purchases more appealing. But here's where it gets controversial. While many consumers are eager to take advantage of this tax credit, some experts argue that the rush could lead to hasty decisions, potentially resulting in buyers overlooking important factors such as vehicle suitability, long-term costs, and charging infrastructure. Are buyers truly informed about what they are purchasing, or are they simply motivated by the fear of missing out on a financial incentive? As the deadline looms, it's essential for consumers to weigh their options carefully. The EV market is evolving rapidly, with new models and technologies emerging regularly. This means that while the tax credit is a great motivator, it's crucial to consider whether an electric vehicle is the right fit for your lifestyle and needs. What do you think? Are you planning to jump on the EV bandwagon before the tax credit expires? Or do you believe that the rush could lead to regrettable purchases? Share your thoughts in the comments below.